understand how to create a CBSE art integrated project for class 10th maths and science. So there have been various options. For example, there can be a calendar that can be asked to prepare, or there can be a newspaper project. So what we would understand today is a newspaper project. We have understood the various projects related to calendar for maths and science class 10th art integrated project for CBSE in the previous lecture. Now here, let's say we have to prepare a newspaper. So we have to create 4 pages of newspaper, each page with a dimension of around 14 inches to 12 inches as given in the guidelines, or it may vary depending upon the guidelines from the school. So let's say each of the page would be dedicated to specific subjects. The first page we dedicated to biology, for example, and we give it a title, let's say Times of Biology, and then we talk about genetics here. So we would create the dominant and the recessive characters and how the process helps, and then here we have certain sections where you can write. So this is a kind of layout that you see in the newspaper. And creating a art integrated project, the basic idea is we are creating a layout of a newspaper. There could be certain kind of watermark on the back side which relates to genetics, which could be either a DNA or a model of a cell which could be explained. And then let's say you have to explain about human systems, for example. So circulatory system, you can have a watermark kind of light drawing that you can do for heart, or for excretory system you can have kidneys, and so on. So those are the kind of ideas. And then where we have the dark lines, those are the lines where you can write the relevant points and description. So this is one of the ideas. And then within, let's say, the words that you have written here, the Times of Biology, O could be created as a cell. Then you could have L that could be created as a plant or a leaf. So those are some of the things that as we have done in our calendar section. Let's say the next page of the newspaper is dedicated to mathematics. So we give it a title, Magical Mathematics, and then we write down certain shapes, the surface area and the volumes for certain shapes, then certain key points that you can write here, certain specific information that you want to explain here, and then there could be some other concepts that you are trying to explain. So based on the topic that you have been allotted for your project, you can have a display. Now let's say you are explaining cube, so you can mention cube, hemisphere, sphere, and the various shapes pertaining to which you are explaining the surface area, the volume, and the related concepts. So that is idea of magical mathematics. The next is chemistry. So we can give it a title, for example, Mystery of Chemistry, and then we are trying to explain the various allotropes and forms of carbon. So we can explain carbon. The description on carbon can come here. Then first allotrope, which is graphite, it can be described here. Then you can describe diamond with its shape, buckyball with its shape, and then we can explain the various processes and various reactions with carbon. So those are some of the explanations that could be part of it. Now this is an example where you are explaining organic chemistry, or you could explain the concepts of inorganic, whatsoever the concepts are there or are being allotted to the candidate. Based on that, you have to create columns, and within the newspaper, as you see, there is kind of image that captures it, and then you have certain description about it and a capturing title, which is very, very important. And then you can have fantastic physics with the concepts of optics or concepts of eye, or the simple equations of motions that are there. So those concepts could be explained here. You can introduce the diagram and explain the concept in a simple language. So that is a basic idea about how to create art integrated project. And since it is an art integrated project, it is very, very important that you are trying to have a creative mindset while creating the project. So it's not just the project itself, but the art included with the project. So with this, we understand the various projects that could be formed, and stay tuned for updates from our side. We have a separate playlist dedicated to your CBSE class 10 science, maths and social studies, so you can refer those for more updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.